everyone. I am going to show you guys how to maintain and restore your pony's hair. So I have two of them right now. I have my my hair like straightener. I did wash these ponies. I used um just wait. Hold on. I used some of this, some of this to wash their hair, rinsed it out, brushed them out a little bit, and then I used some of this, and I rinsed out the soap. I put this in, brushed their hair, rinsed it, and then applied a little bit more in there. So they do have conditioner in it, as well as, yeah. So what I do is, I'm not sure if you can see or how I'm going to do this. So I'm going to hold them in between my legs. Okay. So I have my ponies in between my legs, and I just take it and I just go through it. And the hair will generally go flat. I do not want to do it over, like, a large amount of heat. I put on the lowest heat there is, because you can actually burn it, and the hair will be destroyed. No word of a lie. Plastic will burn. It will pretty much melt. So here, I will show you guys what it looks like. And I will show you guys what it will look like right after. I am taking little sections. Here. Hold on. I'm almost done. So I take little sections, just little teeny tiny sections. I don't know if you guys can see, but there. I will show you guys what it looks like. See? Do you see how straight it is? I will do an update on the hair of the pony, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys how I kind of manage it. So I just take sliver by sliver. Sometimes I go over multiple times. Sorry about that. I've been very sick lately. I don't know if it was pneumonia or something, but have some kind of allergy type thing going on, but I am hopefully feel better soon. Big coughing and sneezing and felt really, really, really ill for the last 3 weeks. Seasonal allergies, I have no idea. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys. So her hair was extremely frizzed out. Like, you know, extremely frizzy. Now her hair is somewhat manageable. I will be uploading more pictures of them in a better state. So I have her all up to date, par. I will do a see. This is the frizz of him, and I will show you guys how I'm going to manage his hair. I might up. See, I put it on the low setting, but I did upload on his hair because his hair is much more damaged, and sometimes with damaged hair you might have to do it over and over again, like just to get the you know, the frizz out, just to let you know. Yep. So just going over and over again actually can be beneficial. Yep. Here, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. He does have tail rust. So I don't know how what's going to go on with the tail rust, but you can see right here it's completely straight. And then this is still frizzed out. So how you can do this is just a little bit of conditioner, wet it, little bit of conditioner, brush it out, rinse it out, and then putting a little bit of conditioner, add a little bit more conditioner, and your pony's hair is going to be extremely great. So I will have updates on this, so please stay tuned. Have a great day and happy Saturday. Bye.